Hey, what's up? I'm Nicole. Welcome back to my channel and another smoothie bowl video. So a couple years ago, Jamba Juice added smoothie bowls to their menu, which made me really excited. And the Island Pitaya Bowl is one of their most popular bowls. Now, I'm pretty confident that I can make this bowl. So today I thought it'd be fun if I tried to recreate the Island Pitaya Bowl and show you how to make it so you can make it at home too. You ready? Let's go. Oh wait, before we jump into the video, I wanted to let you know that all the products I'll be using in this video are linked down in the description box below. So if you need a blender or some coconut bowls or any of the ingredients I'm using, click that link below and you'll be good to go. Okay, now let's start. For this bowl, we're gonna need a splash of pineapple juice, one frozen pitaya packet, a handful of frozen mango, one handful of frozen pineapple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 frozen banana. The first thing we're gonna add is our pineapple juice. Remember, liquids go first. Load order is super important when we're making our smoothie bowls. If you don't remember, go back and watch the video I posted just before this one. Next, we're gonna add our frozen pitaya packet, then our frozen fruit, and lastly, our chia seeds. Okay, great, let's put our lid on and it's time to blend. Remember, when we're blending, we're gonna start it at low and immediately go to high, using our tamper to push down on all 4 corners to get any air out of the bottom and to get our smoothie bowl blended up nice and thick. Oh my goodness, I forgot the banana. I just added it and now I'm going to blend the rest of it. Look how magical this is. Yes, now we have our nice, thick, creamy smoothie bowl texture. Now we're gonna dump it out into our coconut bowl. You guys, I just got a discount code for these coconut bowls. They were so sweet to give me one, so you can get a discount on them if you wanna get one for yourself. Okay, now it's time for the toppings. The best part, I'm gonna put the granola on first. I'm gonna fill this side up with it here, and then they use a mixture of blueberries and strawberries, but I don't have strawberries, so I'm just gonna use blueberries for this one. Oh, these little pieces of granola, get out of there. Great, and now I'm gonna do some raspberries just to add some more color since I don't have strawberries. Why not? The last thing they use is coconut shreds, so I'm just gonna put these on the opposite side and continue with our lines, and then that honey drizzle. Yes, there she is. Okay, my bowl is done. It looks so good and I can't wait to try it. I just had one delivered from Jamba Juice and it's in the freezer so it didn't melt. All right, Jamba Juice just called. They are here with my pitaya bowl, so I'm running down to grab it. I've never had an acai bowl delivered before. Thank you so much. We got it. Here it is. Let me open the lid here. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous. Okay. Here they are, mine versus Jamba Juice. Let's get a close-up on this. Okay, now the moment of truth. I'm gonna try each bowl side by side and do a comparison. I'm gonna start with Jamba Juice first. Guests always go first. Okay, the granola is definitely soggy, but I don't blame them for that because this was delivered, so I get that there was like time from the juice shop to my apartment. The flavor's good though. I really like this. I think toppings decoration, I definitely win. Mine was much prettier than theirs. Okay, let's try mine now, let's see. Honestly, they taste the same. Like the smoothie base actually tastes the same. We probably use different brands of pitaya, but that's literally the only thing that I can taste that's different. As I get it all over my face. Wow. Okay, wait, I gotta go back. I gotta go back to this one now. They're the same. They're literally the same. That's crazy. How fun. Okay, go back to this one. I'm blown away. Okay, well now I know if you want to make the Jamba Juice Island Pitaya smoothie bowl at home, you can. It's so easy, it's so refreshing, and so perfect for a spring afternoon snack. Okay, I have to know what you think. Comment below who did it better, me or Jamba Juice. Y'all be nice though, don't roast me. Like I said before, all the equipment that I used in this video, including these fun coconut bowls, are linked in the description below, so check those out if you want to start making your own smoothie bowls. Also comment if there's other smoothie bowl tips you want to learn or other recipes, because I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing week and we'll see you really soon.